Today I am going to teach you about chemical bond. What do you mean by chemical bond? Chemical bond is defined as the attractive forces which hold the various chemical constituents like atoms, ions, etc. together in different chemical species. Lewis' approach to chemical bonding. According to this theory, atoms take part in the bond formation to complete their octet or to acquire the electronic configuration of the nearest inert gas atoms. This can be achieved by gaining, losing, or sharing of the electrons. Lewis symbols are used for representing valence electrons around the chemical symbol of element. Normally, dot structure is used for representing valence electron around the symbol of element. And these symbols are generally called Lewis symbols. Ionic bond, a chemical bond formed by complete transfer of electron from one atom to another, and hence each atom acquire the stable nearest noble gas configuration, is called ionic bond or electrovalent bond. For example, formation of sodium chloride involve ionic bond. The valence electron present on sodium transfer into chlorine. Sodium is 2,8,1. The one valence electron transfer to the valence shell of chlorine. Chlorine have configuration 2,8,7. By getting this one electron from sodium, it becomes 2,8,8, and the charge of chlorine become negative and charge of sodium become positive. Positive and negative attracted to form sodium chloride, and like this bond is called ionic bond. Here the force of attraction between sodium positive and Cl negative is electrostatic force of attraction. So ionic compounds are also called electrovalent compounds. Favorable factors affecting formation of ionic bonds. Metals should have lowest ionization enthalpy. Non-metals in ionic compounds must have highest electron gain enthalpy. The energy released during the formation of 1 mole of crystal lattice, that is lattice enthalpy, must be high. These are the important factors which affect the formation of ionic bonds.